How to accept invitations on Temu. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can accept invitations on Temu. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first things first, you will need to locate your link, which is basically the invitation for the Temu app. So head over to wherever you have that very invitation, and there will be 2 or 3 types of invitation. First is this one right here, which will lead you directly to the Temu app itself. Now there is no basically accepting the invitation, this is just the sharing of the app. So after you're on the Temu app, you can then log in into your account, and that's basically it. Now the other type of invitation can be a coupon or can be an invitation to play a game. So whenever you tap on that option, it will take you to this coupons and offers section, where you can simply claim or redeem any coupons that you have, and yeah, you can basically apply them later on. Other than that, what else you can do is when you open up your Temu, you might be prompted to play a game. Now when you play that game, you will be getting rewards after that, or your friend who has invited you will also be getting the rewards. So yeah, that's basically how you can accept the invitation, guys. All you have to do is press on the link and then play a game, or just redeem a coupon, and that's basically it. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, and if you're new to how to grow, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.